Ready to install your FlexiRoam eSIM on your Android device? Before getting started, ensure your Android is eSIM compatible, carrier unlocked, and has a stable Wi-Fi connection. Let's dive into how to install an eSIM on your Android device. The easiest way to install your eSIM is through our app. Open the FlexiRoam app, go to Account and select My eSIMs. Select the eSIM you want to install and tap Install. Follow the prompts and complete all the steps to activate your eSIM. It'll take a few minutes for your eSIM to be downloaded. Next, go to your Android's device settings and select Connections or Network and Internet to access SIM Manager. From the SIM Manager dashboard, select your FlexiRoam eSIM and toggle it on. Pro tip: rename your travel eSIM to FlexiRoam so you can distinguish it easily. Once completed, go back to Connections or Network and Internet and select Mobile Networks. Turn on data roaming. Still on the mobile network setup, tap on Access Point Names. Click on Add to manually add the APN provided in the installation guide email that you have received. Lastly, click OK to save the APN configuration settings. We recommend restarting your device after completing the eSIM installation and configuring your device settings. When you arrive at your destination, you can activate your eSIM line to access your data. Here's how. Go to Settings in your device. Select Connections or Network and Internet, and choose SIM Manager. Tap on your renamed eSIM and set mobile data on. Now that your mobile data plan has been turned on, please proceed to enable mobile data. Head back to Connections in your device settings. Select Data Usage and tap the switch to activate or deactivate mobile data. You have enabled mobile data for your eSIM. Please proceed to set up your eSIM's data roaming as instructed in the guide. Finally, toggle airplane mode on and off. Your eSIM should automatically connect to a supported mobile network. If you need more assistance, please contact our support team and they'll be happy to help. FlexiRoam, the smartest way to travel flexibly.